Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a shortcut to the start list in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First we have to open up the Google Docs app. Here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just select the document that we want to create a shortcut for. Tap on the three dots next to its name. Then scroll down, then tap on Add Shortcut to Drive, and then tap on Start. And here we can select the start files that we want to create shortcuts to in our Drive workspace. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.